Hello, my name is Fritz Clement Conrad Jr., and I'm currently seeking my master's degree in Educational Technology and Library Science from Texas A&M Commerce. I have worked in the educational field for the last 12 years, and I want to become a school librarian. The question I'm going to discuss in this video today is, what is the benefit of supporting our school libraries? Well, first off, school and public libraries encourage curiosity, innovation, and transliteracy. They are centers that support reading, cultural education, and provide access to resources for people that might not otherwise have access. All right, and school libraries host a variety of teaching and learning programs for students, educators, and administrators. Librarians understand that each school is a community and each is unique and should reflect the diversity of the area around it. All right, librarians can create digital and physical spaces that help learners become more comfortable and connect with others. As a school librarian, I want to create a safe place that welcomes people of different cultures, backgrounds, and ethnicities. I will develop collections of resources and services to help the library become a place that reflects the school's diverse community. And I will institute various new programs that include reading, technological instruction, study group, collaboration, community events, and physical and digital spaces. I want to encourage every member of my community and your community to support your schools and local libraries in any way that you can. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. You have a nice day. Bye.